Hey everyone, it's Money Mastery. Welcome back to Money Mastery. Listen, I know a lot of you are in your 30s, maybe feeling like you're getting a late start on saving for retirement. I get it, life happens. But trust me, it's not too late to secure your financial future. Today, we're diving into expert tips to help you get started on the right track, even if you haven't saved a dime yet. We're going to cover everything from compound interest to setting realistic goals, so you can retire comfortably and enjoy those golden years. Welcome to Money Mastery. Today, we're diving into expert tips on how to start saving for retirement at 30. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about why starting your retirement savings in your 30s is still a power move. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. We're talking decades here, people. That's a lot of time for your money to work for you. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it picks up momentum, it gets bigger and bigger. That's compound interest in action, but we'll get into that more later. You see, even if you can only spare a small amount each month right now, it can make a huge difference in the long run. Think of it this way. You're essentially paying your future self. And who wouldn't want to set their future self up for success, right? Compound interest is like the cheat code to building wealth. Seriously, it's the closest thing to magic you'll find in finance. Here's how it works. When you invest your money, it earns interest. But here's the kicker. That interest then earns interest itself, and then that interest earns even more interest. It's like a chain reaction of money making. Think of it like this. You invest $100 and it earns 10% interest. Now you have $110. The next year, you earn 10% interest on the entire $110, not just your original $100. Over time, this snowball effect can turn even small, consistent contributions into a substantial retirement nest egg. Let me tell you, I've seen the power of compound interest firsthand, and it's truly remarkable. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and the bigger that snowball grows. Okay, so we know we need to save, but how much are we talking about here? Don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to live off ramen noodles and never leave your apartment. We're aiming for realistic goals, something you can actually stick to. Start by figuring out your retirement expenses. What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? Do you want to travel the world? Pursue hobbies? Once you have an idea of your expenses, you can calculate how much you need to save. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 15% of your pre-tax income. Now, I know that might seem like a lot, especially when you're just starting out. But remember, even small amounts add up over time, especially with the magic of compound interest working its magic. I know, the B word, budgeting. It sounds restrictive and boring, but trust me, it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Think of it this way. A budget isn't about limiting yourself. It's about making conscious choices about where your money goes. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards your retirement savings. Maybe you can try cooking at home a few more nights a week instead of ordering takeout, or finding more affordable entertainment options. Listen, I get it. Navigating the world of retirement planning can feel overwhelming. There's so much information out there, and it's hard to know where to start. That's where a financial advisor can be a total game changer. A good financial advisor can help you create a personalized retirement plan tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. They can also provide valuable insights and guidance on investment strategies, tax optimization, and estate planning. Think of it like having a personal trainer for your finances. They'll help you stay accountable, make adjustments along the way, and ultimately reach your financial goals faster. So there you have it. Expert tips to start saving for retirement at 30. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your financial future. Even small, consistent steps can make a world of difference over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. See you next time.